God bless you.
Very good. Come on. Let her go. Let her go. Very good.
Here's your Mimi now.
Okay, now Mimi's gonna hold it, okay? You go, Mimi.
Okay, now Mama. Yay! With the clap.
Yay!
Okay, now. Come on, baby girl.
Yay!
Last time. Are you ready? Okay, that's okay. That's okay.
Yay!
Good job.
What day is it, Mary?
It is February 13th, 2013.
Okay, show it to Mama.
Ash Wednesday, the first day
One
of
more
Lent.
time. Okay.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
Ready? Hold on, Sophia.
That's okay. Oopsies, that's okay. You did a really good job. You're tired.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.